What's up, everybody? We're gonna do the new challenge. This is Gabriel's brother, Jimmy. We're gonna do burping your ABCs challenge. All right, so first try. I can only get to G. It's my high score. We're gonna try Gabriel. Gabriel's preparing right here. He's behind the scenes right now. We're gonna see if Gabriel can do it. Here's Gabriel. This is Gabriel Galaxy. Okay, he only got to E. everybody. No, that's definitely fake. So if you guys don't want to do that, you can see that.
I got burnt randomly.
Gabriel said that he wants 50 subscribers. He's gonna do a special. He will post his video 5th birthday if he gets 50 subscribers. Okay, everybody. So press that subscribe button right there, right below. Don't forget to leave a like and a comment.